Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we're going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 7 Chapter 12 Parallel Lines, Exercise 12, question number 5. This one says, examine whether AB and CD are parallel in each of the following cases. You'll see here that a figure is given. We simply have to tell that is the two lines given to us AB and CD, are they parallel to each other? This one, okay, and this one, are these two lines parallel to each other or not? But there is a thing, that is they have given the measures of the angles, and seeing the measures of the angles we have to tell that are the lines parallel or not. So I'll quickly tell you, we have already studied the properties of parallel lines. If basically a parallel line, if two lines are parallel to each other, they should have the similar properties, such as all the corresponding angles, right, corresponding angles, and the alternate angles, all the interior alternate, the exterior alternates, right. And what else type of angles do we have? Vertically opposite angles as well, right. So all of these three types of angles should be equal to each other, right. But there is one more thing, that is all the co-interior angles should be equal to 180, right, when a line is parallel to each other, when two lines are parallel to each other. So corresponding angles, alternate angles, and vertically opposite angles should be equal, and the co-interior angles should be of 180 degrees, right. Now after revising the properties, let's start to solve our questions, right. So what do we have here in the first part? It says B equals 80, right. B equals 80 degrees, Y equals 80 degrees as well. Angle B, angle Y. You can see what are angle B. First of all, we need to identify what are our given angles. They have given us angle B and angle Y, right. They are which type of angles? See, this is B and this is Y. So they are lying on the same side. One is interior, the other is exterior. This means they are corresponding angles. Now if these two corresponding angles are equal, then both of our AB and CD will be parallel to each other. So measures given are 70 degrees, sorry, 80 degrees, right. You can see this means they are equal, and when they are equal, this means our lines are parallel, right. So for the first part, we'll have our answer as yes. Then the second one says B equals 70 degrees and angle Z equals 70 degrees as well. So again, B is here, B is given as 70 degrees, I'll just mark it, and Z is given as 70 degrees as well. So Y will be how much? 110. 180 minus 70 will do, because Z and Y both lie on this straight line, right. So we'll do 180 minus this 70, right. So we'll get 110. Now you see, again B and Y are corresponding angles. If they are equal, then a line is parallel. If they are not, then a line is not parallel. You can see B is 70 degrees whereas Y is 110. So they are not equal. This means that our lines also are not parallel, right. So you can simply write no for this one, okay. Then next up, what do we have? Angle A equals 40 degrees and angle Y equals 40 degrees as well, okay. So if you go up here, you can see A and Y are which type of angles? This is A, right, and this is Y. So you can see they are alternate angles, right. So you see over here that you can see A is 40 degrees and Y is 40 degrees as well, right. So if we get to know this X value, okay, suppose this A is 40 degrees, right, this A is 40 degrees, Y is 40 degrees as well, right. Now find X if this is the measures given. So X will be 140 degrees, right, and A and X, this A and X, both of these angles are corresponding angles, right, and you can see that they are unequal. So when corresponding angles are unequal, this means what? That our lines are not parallel, right. So for the third one also, we will go ahead and write no, okay. Then next up we have the fourth one. This is angle B equals 100 degree and angle X equals 80 degrees, right. Where is B and where is X over here you can see that B is this and X is this, right? B is 100 degrees and X is 80 degrees. Okay, so if we can find out Y again, because it is a corresponding angle, if we'll find Y, we will get to know. So Y will be how much? 100 degrees as well. Now you see both of them are what? Equal. This means that our lines are parallel. So again, for the fourth part of this question, we'll write the answer as yes. Then what else do we have now? C equals 75, angle C equals 75 degrees and angle X equals 65. Sorry, both of them are 65, right? So C and Y here, if you will see, so C and Y are co-interior angles, right? This is C, okay, this is C and this is Y. So they are co-interior angles. If we can see that both of them are 65 degrees, right? C equals 65 degrees, Y also 65 degrees. So this means what? That basically they should be supplementary because they are co-interior angles. But if you see 65 plus 65, if you add them, so what will we get here? 130, right? 130. So this means they are not supplementary. When they are not supplementary, that means our lines are also not parallel, right? So fifth one, we'll write the answer as no, right? So no here as well. Then next one, what else do we have here? The sixth part of this is A equals 42 degrees, X equals 42 degrees as well. Okay, so A and X are what? Corresponding angles. This is A, this is X. They are corresponding angles and both of them are of how many degrees? 42 degrees. So this means what? That the lines are corresponding, they are the same. Sorry, the lines are parallel, right? So we write it here, yes, right? And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.